CCD stands for cleidocranial dysplasia. It's a skeletal disorder characterized by extra bone pieces that occur in the joints of the cranium, small or absent collarbones, and multiple dental abnormalities. It is a genetic birth defect caused by mutations to the RUNX2 gene. It occurs 1 in every 1 millionth birth, and it can be passed from an affected parent or can be a random mutation.
I didn't know I had CCD as a kid. It was something I didn't discover that the collarbones were missing until I was 12 years old, and I didn't know that it was a real name for it until I was 17. Up until then, I didn't know why I couldn't do pull-ups. I didn't know why I couldn't throw the football as far as everybody else I knew. So there was a lot of physical things that were going on that I didn't have an explanation for. And my teeth were messed up, but they weren't as bad as a lot of CCD cases are. So I can't say that the dental part was as much of an issue, even though I had 6 years of dental work and surgeries and stuff. But mostly for me, it was just about not having any upper body strength and having this big old head nobody kept mentioning. That was the majority of it.
The biggest challenges are, of course, the medical procedures, surgery, extractions, all that jazz, braces. But when it comes to a lot of kids have trouble socially with it, talking about it with their friends, their peers, their family. I've been grateful enough I'm grateful that my family has let me express it and has taught me that it's okay to have it, so I'm very happy about that. But it's mainly the medical side of it that's the most difficult.
CCD Smiles brings global awareness, provides assistance for dental care, and supports research to improve outcomes and quality of life for individuals with cleidocranial dysplasia.
We've only been around for 2 years, and so our future is great, and we've accomplished so much. It would take us an hour just to list everything that we've been able to accomplish so far, and so I imagine the future will be similar to that, and we'll just keep growing and growing and finding more dental professionals, more people with CCD, and more volunteers. It'll just keep getting better and better.
The CCD Smiles Ambassador Program is a monthly giving program where 100% of every donation goes towards the dental needs of those with CCD.
The idea for CCD Smiles about 3 or 4 years before it actually started. I was doing my schooling in medicine, and the more that I did with medicine, the more interest I had in learning more about CCD. And then when I started meeting more people with CCD, I realized that there was a big need for more education and for people to connect with each other. So I just had the idea to start a foundation, mostly with the idea to bring people together and then to provide some education and a medical background and resource for them.
With every fundraiser, CCD Smiles raises more money to help others who share the same challenges as they do, while also showing kids and adults with CCD that they are not alone. And we hope you can join us at our next event and help spread the word.